Hello, welcome to Multi-Nest Design. In this tutorial, we are going to quickly get you, if you miss some of your user interface, how you can get it back quick. Like if you want to get your project browser back at the right side, or get your property bar at the left side of your system. So if you are missing it, this is how to follow. So you go to view on your menu bar, then you click on it, double click. So the user interface, you go to user interface, click on user interface. First you click on project browser. So when you toggle it, you see it at the right side of your project. Then you click again, then you select the next one you want, which is property. You get it at the left side of your project. So that is how it works. You just need to toggle it on and off from the user interface. So that is how it is.